Galaxy S8 Android Oreo BOOST, Samsung release date for big update finally revealed. Samsung Galaxy S8 fans have finally found out the release date for the Android Oreo update. Samsung have confirmed when Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus and Note 8 users will be getting the Android Oreo update. The South Korean tech giant have slowly been rolling out the latest version of Android for the past few months. Earlier this month Vodafone rolled out the Android Oreo update to their S8 customers. While some mobile phone carriers have been rolling out the update to their customers, the majority of unlocked devices are still waiting for the update. However, it's now been confirmed that the Android Oreo update will be rolled out to all supported Galaxy devices within the next 2 to 3 weeks. In a post on the Samsung community website, the tech giant said, "We understand that many of you have unlocked Galaxy S8 Plus and Note 8 devices and may be wondering why those with carrier models are seeing the updates first. We're working with our carriers to get Oreo out to all eligible Galaxy S8 Plus and Note 8 devices within the next 2 to 3 weeks. The Android Oreo update for the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8 was originally scheduled for February. However, a bug that caused some S8 devices to reboot caused a minor delay. Android Oreo includes a number of new features like picture-in-picture support, enabling users to continue watching a video while using another app. There are also new battery life improvements, better autofill options and notification indicators on app icons. Here's the full list of the headline features shipping in Android Oreo on Samsung Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus and Galaxy Note 8. Home screen. Touch and hold an app to display shortcuts to common or recommended tasks within the app, supported apps only. Notification badges on app icons are linked with the notification panel. Clear a notification in one location, and it will also be cleared in the other location. Samsung keyboard. The toolbar gives quick access to useful functions. The GIF keyboard lets you send GIFs. Quick panel. Manage notifications for each app with notification categories, supported apps only. Icons will be shown at the bottom of the notification panel for notifications that aren't currently visible. Lock screen and always-on display. New clock styles for the lock screen and always-on display. Adjust the transparency of notifications to get the look you want. Samsung Dual Messenger. Install a second copy of a messaging app so you can use 2 accounts at the same time. For apps that verify accounts using phone numbers, you'll need a different phone number for each account. Touch and hold a messaging app on the home or apps screen to install the second account or go to Settings, Advanced Features, Dual Messenger. Find My Mobile. Backup secure folder to Samsung Cloud remotely when your phone is lost. Lock Samsung Pass using Find My Mobile. Other improvements. Bluetooth now supports high-quality audio codecs, including AAC and Sony LDAC. Video player includes auto repeat and 2x speed option. Voice recorder provides smart tips to conveniently block calls while recording. Email lets you flag Microsoft Exchange Active Sync emails. Samsung Health's new sticky notification lets you see your step count at a glance. Clock now includes a landscape mode and timer sound options. The digital clock widget goes directly to the clock app when you tap it. Samsung Pass added the ability to manage usernames and passwords in third-party apps.